Hello, this is Joe Mack from Mobileye. I'm here to tell you about the Mobileye system being installed in your company's vehicles. Mobileye works by warning you of a possible collision a few seconds before it happens, giving you that critical time to react and possibly avoid a collision or mitigate the severity. So, let's start by taking a look at the system itself. Mobileye consists of two components, a small black box and a visual display we call the iWatch. The black box is the brains of the system and is mounted on the inside of the windshield. It contains the camera that faces forward to monitor the road, the speaker for the audio alerts, and the computer processing chip known as the IQ chip. The iWatch will be mounted in the cabin in a location that's easily visible to you while not blocking your view of the road. The iWatch is where you'll see the icons or visual alerts. When a threat is detected, Mobileye warns you with both visual and audible alerts a few seconds before an incident. These critical seconds can mean the difference between a devastating collision and an incident entirely avoided or far less severe. Mobileye works by employing sophisticated algorithms that perform advanced driver scene interpretations to identify probable collision dangers. Once you start your vehicle, Mobileye continuously monitors the road ahead and analyzes the risks of forward collisions, unintended lane departures, tailgating, and pedestrian and cyclist hazards. Mobileye includes 5 distinct features. Let's take a quick look at each and see what you can expect from behind the wheel. Our Mobileye driver is going to demonstrate how each of these features can play out in real life. First is the pedestrian and cyclist collision warning. This feature recognizes when pedestrians and cyclists are near the vehicle and determines if there's a danger of collision. A green pedestrian icon on the iWatch warns you that a pedestrian is near the vehicle, but the time to collision is not critical. A red pedestrian icon, along with a series of single beeps, warns that a collision with a pedestrian is imminent. It's important to note that the pedestrian and cyclist collision warning only works during daylight. Next up is the lane departure warning. Here you'll be alerted if your vehicle crosses a lane marking without the use of a turn signal. If this happens, you'll hear a series of quick beeps and you'll see white lane markings on the iWatch. And just as you saw in the video, our driver drifted out of his lane for just a split second, but Mobileye was there to alert him and keep him safe. The next feature is the speed limit indicator. This feature recognizes and reads speed limit signs. When your vehicle exceeds the posted limit, a flashing speed limit sign will be shown on the iWatch. There's no audio alert for this feature, only a visual alert. The headway monitoring and warning alert, commonly known as following time, monitors the distance between your vehicle and the one ahead of you. This following distance is measured in seconds and will be displayed on the iWatch. When the following time becomes unsafe, you'll hear a single beep and you'll see a red vehicle icon on the iWatch. If you are following at a safe distance and speed, a green vehicle icon will be displayed. And last, but certainly not least, is the forward collision warning. It consists of a rapid series of beeps and a large red vehicle icon on the iWatch. The forward collision warning alerts you of an imminent rear-end collision with the vehicle in front of you, indicating that you need to take immediate action to possibly avoid a collision. For our driver, this alert was the difference between a costly collision and a smooth ride home. There you have it. These are the features that make Mobileye a great addition to your vehicle. 5 features in one easy-to-use system. And while the Mobileye Collision Avoidance System uses state-of-the-art technology to help make you safer while you're on the road, it is not a substitute for the safe driving practices and policies promoted by your company. Thanks for watching, and safe travels.